Hello students. So in this video, let's solve some statement problems based on cost. Okay. Now in the first question, the taxi charges in the city consist of fixed charge together with the charge for the distance covered. For a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 105, and for a journey of 15 kilometer, the charge paid is rupees 155. What are the fixed charges and the charges per kilometer? So here we have to find the fixed charge and the charge per kilometer, isn't it? So let us consider, let the fixed charge be rupees x. Let the fixed charge be rupees x, and let the charge per kilometer, okay, that is for 1 kilometer, charge per kilometer be rupees y. Okay, now from the question it is very clear, how much of a distance you travel, you must pay the fixed charge, isn't it? We have to pay the fixed charge. Okay, now in the question, for a distance of 10 kilometer, the charge paid is 105. Remember, this charge 105 consists of fixed charge. We have to pay this. How much of a kilometer we travel, we have to pay this fixed charge, plus for the distance travel. For 1 kilometer it is y rupees. For 10 kilometer it will become, it's like 1 pen is let's say 10 rupees. 10 pen is how much? How do we do it? 10 into 10, we multiply it, right? Same logic. 1 kilometer is y rupees. 10 kilometer is how much? So we have to multiply 10 into y. Okay, so the charge for the 10 kilometer will be 10y. So the fixed charge plus the amount is equal to 105. This will be our equation 1. Similarly, in the next part, we have to pay the fixed charge. The distance traveled is 15 kilometer. For 1 kilometer it is y rupees. So 15 kilometer it will become 15y. That will be equal to 155. So we have got two equations. If we solve those two equations by elimination method, we'll get the answer. So let's solve it by elimination method. So x plus 10y is equal to 105. X plus 15y is equal to 155. So both are positive x. So therefore we have to change the sign. Minus plus will become minus, and plus will become minus. Plus x and minus x gets cancelled. Plus 10y minus 15y. Plus 10y minus 15y gives you minus 5y. 105 minus 155 gives us minus 50. Therefore the value of let me scroll a bit. Therefore the value of y will become minus 50 by minus 5. Minus minus gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5 tens are. Therefore the value of y is 10. That is, charge per kilometer is 10 rupees. Okay, now let's find the value of x. Let's take the first equation. What is the first equation? X plus 10y is equal to 105. So x plus 10, y value is also 10, equal to 105. So x plus 10 into 10 is 100, equal to 105. Therefore x is equal to 105 minus 100. Therefore we get the value of x as 5. 105 minus 100 is 5. Therefore the fixed charge is 5 rupees and the charge per kilometer is 10 rupees. We should also find the charge for the 25 kilometer. Charge paid for 25 kilometer. Charge paid for 25 kilometer. See, we have to pay the fixed charge x, plus for 1 kilometer it is y rupees. 25 kilometer it will become 25y. So what is x value? 5. What is y value? 10. On substituting, 5 plus 250, so it will become rupees 255. Therefore the charge paid for 25 kilometer will become 255 rupees. Okay, so let's get into the next question. So in the next question, Meena went to a bank to withdraw rupees 2000. Okay, she went to the bank to withdraw how much? 2000 rupees. She asked the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. She demanded only for 50 rupees notes and 100 rupees notes. Meena got 25 notes in all. The total number of notes given by the cashier is 25 notes. Find how many notes of 50 and 100 she received. So we have to find how many 50 rupees notes are there and how many 100 rupees notes are there. Okay. So let's assume let the number of rupees 50 notes, that is 50 rupees notes, be X. Okay. Similarly, let the number of, let me write it, let the number of 100 rupees notes, 100 rupees notes be Y. Okay, very clearly, totally how many notes she has got? 25 notes, meaning the number of 50 notes and the number of 100 notes put together is 25, isn't it? Therefore, X is the 50 notes, okay, 50 rupees notes, and Y is the 100 rupees notes. Put together, totally we have 25 notes. Okay, so this will be our equation 1. And as you know, this total amount should give you how much? 2000, isn't it? She has 50 rupees. How many 50 rupees notes she has? X. So what will be the total value of it? Let's multiply. X into 50 will become 50x. For example, let's say you have 10 notes. 10 notes of 50 rupees. So what is the total amount that you are having? It is simply 10 into 50, 500, isn't it? It's the same logic. So how many notes do we have now? X notes of rupees 50. Therefore, what is the total amount? X into 50. That will become 50x, isn't it? Similarly, how many notes of 100? Y notes of rupees 100. What is the total amount that we have? Y into 100. That will become 100y. So this amount 50x and this amount 100y, both put together gives you how much? 2000. So 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Okay, if you observe, we can take 50 as common here. So we'll be left with x plus 2y is equal to 2000. Therefore, x plus 2y is equal to 2000 divided by 50. 0, 0 gets cancelled. 5 ones are 5, 40s are. Therefore, the next equation, x plus 2y is equal to 40. This will be our second equation. So solving these two equations by elimination method, let's solve it. X plus y is equal to 25. X plus 2y is equal to 40. So let's change the sign. So it will become plus and minus x gets cancelled. Plus y minus 2y gives you minus 1y. Plus 15 minus 40 gives you minus 15. Therefore, y value is 15. Okay. Now, let's find the value of x. X plus y is equal to 25. X plus y is 15 equal to 25. Therefore, x is equal to 25 minus 15. Therefore, x is 10. So how many 50 rupees notes she has? 10 50 rupees notes and 15 100 rupees notes. So 10 50 rupees notes in the sense 10 into 50, 500. 15 100 rupees notes in the sense 15 into 100, 1500. So the total is 2000. So as you can see that it is 2000. Okay. So she has 10 50 rupees notes. She has 10 notes of rupees 50 and 15 notes of rupees 100. This will be the answer. So let's get into the next one. A lending library has fixed charge for first 3 days. For first 3 days, we have to pay the fixed charge, an additional charge for each day thereafter. Whereas if you take the book for more than 3 days, you have to pay the amount for each day. Okay, after 3 days. So Sarita paid rupees 27 for a book kept for 7 days, while Susi paid rupees 21 for the book she kept for 5 days. find the fixed charge and the charge for each extra day. Okay. Let the fixed charge, let the fixed charge be rupees X. Let us consider the fixed charge to be rupees X. Let the charge per day, let the charge for each extra day, for each extra day be rupees Y. Okay. Now, Sarita has kept the book for how many days? 7 days. Out of the 7 days, for the first 3 days, she has to pay how much? A fixed charge for 3 days, that is X rupees, isn't it? Now, remaining how many days are there? 4 days are there. For 1 day, it is Y rupees. For 4 days, it is how much? 4Y. Therefore, X plus 4Y, that will be equal to 27. This will be our equation 1. Similarly, coming to Susi, she has kept the book for 5 days. For the first 3 days, she has to pay X rupees. The remaining is 2 days. For 1 day, it is Y rupees. 2 day, it is how much? 2Y. So X plus 2Y is equal to 21. We got our 2 equations. So let's solve by elimination method. Okay. So X plus 4Y is equal to 27. X plus 2Y is equal to 21. So this is plus X. So change the sign. Plus X and minus X gets cancelled. 4Y minus 2Y is 2Y. 27 minus 21 is 6. Therefore, Y will become 3. 6 by 2, that is 3. Now let's find the value of X. X plus 4Y is equal to 27. So X plus 4, Y is 6 equal to 27. X plus 4, 6 are 24 equal to 27. Therefore, Y value is 3. Therefore, 4 3s is 12. So X is equal to 27 minus 12, which implies X is 15. So the charge for the fixed charge for 3 days is 15 rupees. And for each extra day, we have to pay 3 rupees. Okay, let's get into the next question. Okay, this is similar to the previous one. A part of monthly hostel charges is fixed, and the remaining depends on the number of days one has taken food in the mess. When a student A takes food for 20 days, she has to pay rupees 1000 as hostel charges, whereas a student B who takes food for 26 days pays rupees 1080 as the hostel charges. Find the fixed charges and the cost of food per day. Okay. Now, again here we have to find the fixed charge and the cost of food per day. Okay. Let the fixed charge be rupees X. Okay. This is a fixed amount that they have to pay, and for the number of days they stay, they have to pay the food amount. Okay. So let the cost of food per day, let the cost of food per day be rupees Y. Now the first person, that is A, student A, he has to pay this fixed charge X rupees. Definitely he has to pay. Plus, how many days is he staying? He is staying for 20 days. For 1 day, the food cost is Y rupees. For 20 days, it is 20Y. That will be how much? 1000. Okay. So that will be your equation 1. Again, another student, he has to pay the fixed charge. Plus, how many days is he staying? 26 days. For 1 day, it is Y rupees. So for 26 days, it will become 26Y. That will be equal to 1180. This is our equation 2. So we have got our 2 equations. Let's solve by elimination method. X plus 20Y is equal to 1000. X plus 26Y is equal to 1180. So both the signs are same. Plus X and plus X. Therefore, we have to change the sign throughout. Plus X and minus X gets cancelled. 20 minus 26 is minus 6Y. 1000 minus 1180. It will become minus 180. Therefore, y value will become minus 180 by minus 6. Minus minus gets cancelled. 6 ones are 6, 30s are. Therefore, the value of y is 30. That is, for per day, the cost of the food is 30 rupees. Let's find the value of x. So x plus 20y is equal to 1000. X plus 20, y value is 30 equal to 1000. X plus 20 into 30 is 600 equal to 1000. So x is equal to 1000 minus 600. Therefore, x is 400. The fixed charge that they have to pay is rupees 400. Okay. So let's get into the next problem. These are not problems based on cost, but some more different types of problems. Let's solve these. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. So here we have to find two numbers. So let the two numbers be, let the two numbers be x and y. Let the two numbers be x and y. The difference between the two numbers, that is x minus y is equal to 26, equation 1. And one number is 3 times the other. So x will be 3 times y. Okay, or I can write it like this: x minus 3y is equal to 0. Equation 2. We got two equations, so let's solve it by elimination method. So x minus y is equal to 26. X minus 3y is equal to 0. So both are same sign. So let's change it. Plus will become minus, minus will become plus. 0 is neutral, so it doesn't matter even if you change the sign. So let's take it as minus. Plus and minus gets cancelled. Minus 1y plus 3y gives us 2y. And plus 26 minus 0 is 26. Therefore, y value is 26 by 2, which implies y is 13. And as we know, x minus y is equal to 26 and y is 13. Therefore, x will become 26 plus 13, which implies x is 39. So therefore, the two numbers are 13 and 39. Let's get into the next one. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Find them. So let the supplementary angles, we have to find the supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? A pair of angles, that is two angles are said to be supplementary if their sum is 180 degree, isn't it? So let the supplementary angles be, let the supplementary angles be x and y. If the supplementary angles are x and y, it's very clear that x plus y is equal to 180. If these are supplementary, if we add them, we should get 180. And let's assume x is greater than y. Okay, let's just assume x is greater than y. So the larger of the two angle, so the larger of the two is what? X is the larger one. The larger of the two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees. Meaning, see, if the larger is, suppose if x is equal to y, we write it like this. But very clearly, x is greater than y. How much it is greater? By 18 degrees. Okay. Therefore, you get x minus y is equal to 18 degrees. Equation 2. So let's solve equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. X plus y is equal to 180. X minus y is equal to 18 degrees. So plus y and minus y gets cancelled. Therefore, 2x is equal to 198, which implies x is 99 degrees. If x is 99 degrees, we know that x plus y is 180. So x is 99 plus y equal to 180, which implies y will become 81 degrees. Okay. So here we got the value of x and y. The supplementary angles are 99 degrees and 81 degrees. Let's get into the next one. The coach of a cricket team buys 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. Later, she buys 3 bats and 5 balls for rupees 1,750. Find the cost of each bat and ball. Now, let's say let the cost of let the cost of one bat be rupees X and cost of one ball be rupees Y. Therefore, if you observe, the coach of the cricket team buys how many bats? 7 bats and 6 balls for rupees 3,800. So one bat is X rupees. 7 bat will become 7X. One ball is Y rupees. 6 ball will become 6Y. So both put together is 3,800. Now similarly, later she buys 3 bats and 5 balls. One bat is X rupees. 3 bats becomes 3X. 5 balls becomes 5Y equal to 1,750. Okay. These are your equation 1 and 2. Let's solve by elimination method. So as you can see, the coefficients of X are not same. So we have to take the LCM. LCM of 7, 3 is 21. So to make this 7 as 21, we have to multiply by 3. To make this 3 as 21, we have to multiply by 7. So 7 into 3, 21X plus 18Y equal to 24. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11,400. So 7 3s are again 21X plus 7 5s are 35Y equal to 7 zeros are 0. 7 5s are 35. 3 carry. 52. 5 carry. 12. So 12,250. Okay, now both have got same sign. So let's change the sign. Plus 21X minus 21X gets cancelled. Plus 18Y minus 35Y gives us minus 17Y equal to plus 11,400 minus 12,250. That gives us 850 minus 850. Therefore, Y value is minus 850 divided by minus 17. Minus minus gets cancelled. 17 ones are 17 50s are. Therefore, Y is 50. Cost of one ball is 50 rupees. Okay, let's find X. We know that X plus 7X plus 6Y is equal to 3,800. This is given. So 7X plus 6 into 50 is equal to 3,800. Therefore, 7X plus 300 is equal to 3,800, which implies 7X is equal to 3,800 minus 300, which implies 7X is 3,500. 3,500 divided by 7, which gives us 7 ones are 7, 500s are. Therefore, the cost of bat is 500 rupees. Okay. I hope it's clear. Let's get into the next one. So Yash scored 40 marks in a test, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Had 4 marks been awarded for each correct answer and 2 marks been deducted for each wrong answer, then it should have scored 50 marks. How many questions were there in the test? So we have to find the total number of questions. Okay. Now, let the number of questions answered correctly. Okay, we don't know how many questions he has answered correctly. Let's say it is X, B, X. Okay. Similarly, let the number of questions answered incorrectly, that is wrong, let it be Y. See, it is very clearly given that Ash scored 40 marks in a test. Okay, getting 3 marks for each right answer and losing 1 mark for each wrong answer. Okay, now see, if the answer is correct, then he will be awarded 3 marks. So how many answers are correct? X answers are correct. So one answer is 3 marks. X answer will become 3X. Okay. Now for one wrong answer, 1 mark is deducted. So for Y wrong answers, 1Y. Okay. Now what should I do? We should subtract it, isn't it? Because negative marking. So if it is negative marking, the marks will be subtracted. Okay. See, this is the total number of questions that he has answered correctly. X questions. For one question, it is 3 marks. For x question, it is how much? 3x. Similarly, for negative marking, that is for wrong answers, if you make one answer as wrong, you will be deducted y marks. So he has made how many wrong? Sorry, if one answer is wrong, 1 mark will be deducted. If y answer is wrong, 1 y marks will be deducted. Okay. So since it is deduction, we have to subtract it. So 3x minus 1y is equal to 40. This will be our equation 1. Okay. In the next one, add 4 marks being awarded for each correct answer. So one answer, if it is correct, 4 marks. So x answers are correct, 4x. And 2 marks being deducted. If 2 marks is deducted for each incorrect answer. For one incorrect answer, y marks. For for one incorrect answer, it is 2 marks. For y, how much it is? 2y. Okay. So much marks is deducted. He would have scored how much? 50. Let's take 2 common here. If we take 2 common here, it will become 2x minus y is equal to 50. Therefore, 2x minus y is equal to 50 by 2, which implies 2x minus y is equal to 25. Equation 2. So let's solve equation 1 and 2. Let me repeat it. It's very easy. If the answer is correct, for the correct answer, one correct answer, we will be given 3 marks in the first case. For one wrong answer, will be deducted 1 marks. Okay, this is the first criteria. In the second criteria, for one correct answer, will be given 4 marks. For one wrong answer, will be given 2 marks, minus 2 marks. Okay, because it is deduction. Now, total number of questions correct is x. So total marks will become 3 into x, 3x. So total number of answers wrong is y. So 1 into y will become 1y. So out of this marks, we have to subtract this to get the total marks. That's why we have written 3x minus 1y is equal to 40. Similarly, for x answers, what will be the total marks? 4x. For y answers, what will be the total marks? 2y. We have to subtract these two to get the final marks. That's what we have done. Okay, so we have got 2 equations. Now, let's solve these by elimination method. So the first equation, 3x minus 1y is equal to 40. 2x minus 1y is equal to 25. Let's change the sign. This will become minus, plus, minus. Plus 1y minus 1y gets cancelled. 3x minus 2x is x. 40 minus 25 is 15. So therefore, how many questions are correct? 15 questions are correct. Okay, let's take the first equation. 3x minus 1y is equal to 40. 3x minus 15 is equal to 40. Therefore, 3x will become 40 plus 15. Sorry, x value is 15, right? So we have to substitute in the place of x. Minus 1y is equal to 40. Therefore, 45 minus 1y is equal to 40. So therefore, 45 minus 40 is equal to 1y, which implies y is equal to 5. So the total number of questions that are wrong are 5. So what is the total number of questions? 15 questions correct, 5 questions wrong. Therefore, the total number of questions, total number of questions is 15 plus 5, that will become 20. Okay, let me write it properly. Total number of questions is 20. Okay, 15 correct and 5 wrong. Therefore, the total is 20. So let's get into the next one. The area of the rectangle get reduced by 9 square units. Okay, if its length is reduced by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 3 units. If we increase the length by 3 units and the breadth by 2 units, the area increases by 67 square units. Find the dimensions of the rectangle. That is, we have to find the length and the breadth of the rectangle. Dimensions in the sense, we have to find the length and the breadth. Let the length of the rectangle, length and breadth of the rectangle be x and y respectively. The length is x, breadth is y. Okay. Now, what will be the original area? Okay. The original area. Let me denote it as A. Okay. That will be equal to length into breadth. Okay. So original area is length into breadth. So our length is x and breadth is y. So original area will become xy. Okay. Now, if you observe, the area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units, meaning we are having a new area here. Okay, new area. This new area is, let me denote it as A dash. This A dash is whatever the original area was there minus 9, because the area of the new rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Why is it getting reduced? Because we have reduced the length by 5 units and the breadth is increased by 3 units. Okay. So this is the new area A dash. Now, if it is a new area, we'll have new length. Okay. Let's take it as L dash. L dash, if you observe, it is reduced by 5 units. What is the original one? X. So it is reduced by 5. So L dash will become X minus 5. Similarly, B dash, the new breadth will become Y is the original one, but the new breadth is increased by 3 units. Therefore, it will become Y plus 3. Now, how do we calculate A dash? It is L dash into B dash. And we know already A is XY minus 9. Now, L dash into B dash. What is L dash? X minus 5. What is B dash? Y plus 3 equal to XY minus 9. So, let's simplify this. X into y, binomial multiplication, x into y, xy, x into 3, 3x, minus 5 into y, minus 5y, minus 5 into 3 is minus 15, equal to xy minus 9. If you observe, xy and xy gets cancelled. So we are left with 3x minus 5y minus 15 is equal to minus 9. Therefore, 3x minus 5y is equal to minus 9 plus 15. Therefore, it becomes 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. This will be our equation 1. Again, if you observe the question, again, we are having a new area. That is, suppose if we increase the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units, here we are increasing both. Okay, therefore, the area increases by 67 square units. Now, again, we are having a new length. Let's take it as L double dash. Okay, the new length, L double dash. The original is x. Okay, how much are we increasing? The length is increased by 3 units. So x plus 3. The new breadth B double dash, it is increased by 2 units. Therefore, we have a new area. Let's take it as A double dash. New area A double dash. How is this new area? It is the original area plus 67 because it is increased by 67. Okay, from the question. How do we calculate A double dash? L double dash into B double dash. That is length into breadth. So I've taken L as L double dash, breadth as B double dash. What is A? A, we know that it is XY plus 67. So what is L dash? X plus 3. B dash is Y plus 2 equal to XY plus 67. So X into Y is XY. X into 2 is 2x plus 3 into y 3y plus 3 into 2 is 6 equal to 6y plus, xy plus 67. xy gets cancelled. So we are left with 2x plus 3y plus 6 equal to 67. Send that 6 to the other side so that it will become 2x plus 3y is equal to 61. Equation 2. See, here we have to solve both equation 1 and 2 by elimination method. So equation 1 is 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. 2x plus 3y is equal to 61 is the second equation. The coefficients are not same. So let's multiply by 2 here, multiply by 3 here, because the LCM of 3, 2 is 6. So it will become 6x minus 10y equal to 12. Again, 6x plus 9y equal to 183. We have to change the sign. So plus 6x minus 6x gets cancelled. Minus 10 minus 9y gives you minus 19y equal to minus 183 plus 12. It becomes minus 171. Therefore, y is equal to minus 171 by minus 19. Minus minus gets cancelled. 19 ones are 19 nines are. Therefore, y value is 9. That is, the original breadth is 9 meters. Okay. Next, let's find the value of x. We know that 3x minus 5y is equal to 6. So 3x minus 5y is 9 equal to 6. 3x minus 45 equal to 6. Therefore, 3x is equal to 6 plus 45, which becomes 3x is 51. X is equal to 51 by 3. 3 ones are 3, 17s are. Therefore, x is 70. Therefore, the value of the length is 17 meters and the value of the breadth is 9 meters. Let me recall this problem. If you observe, see, we have to find the dimensions of rectangle, that is the length and the breadth. So I've taken the length and the breadth as x and y. Now, what will be the area? The original area will be length into breadth. So length is x, breadth is y. Therefore, area we get it as xy. So now what they have done is they have reduced the length by 5 units and increased the breadth by 3 units. Therefore, your new length L dash will become x minus 5 and B dash will become y plus 3. Obviously, you have changed the length and the breadth. Therefore, the area also changes. So therefore, the new area A dash is how much? The area of the rectangle gets reduced by 9 square units. Now, earlier the area was A. So the new area will become minus 9. A minus 9. So A dash is what? New area. So how do we calculate length into breadth? So L dash into B dash. So what is L dash x minus y? What is B dash y plus 3? Substitute it, you will get an equation 1. Similarly, again, we are increasing the length by 3 units and breadth by 2 units. So we have new length and new breadth again. Therefore, we will have new area. So calculating that, we'll get second equation. Solving equation 1 and 2, we'll get the value of length and breadth respectively. So with this, we have completed the statement problems and also the chapter. I hope you have understood the concept. Thank you, students.